Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to class number 40, Medina Book 2, where we are learning about Al-Masdar Al-Mu'awwal. So inshallah, continuing that concept, we're going to learn some new things and we're going to quickly go through the lesson number 17 from Medina Book 2, inshallah. So Ad-Darsu Sabi'a Ashara. So again here is a scenario where Dr. Ibrahim describes a conversation between teacher and students and how the dialogues are constructed using the Al-Masdar Al-Mu'awwal and other concepts, inshallah. So the teacher asks the student, he's asking, Lima kharajta min al-fasli ya Ammar. Lima means why. So it is li plus maza. Limaza is the full form, but as a short form it is a lima. So lima kharajta. So we know it is ta, even there is no vowel sign because it is directed to ya Ammar. So in front of you, Ammar is in front of. So it says lima kharajta min al fasli ya Ammar. Why did you go out from the class, ya Ammar? So Ammar says kharajtu. So we know it is tu because Ammar is replying. So when it's directed to anta, then so the answer will be ana. So ana kharajtu. I went out li ashrab al ma'a, to drink water. Al ma'a is maf'ulun bihi for ashraba. So now here we're going to see what is this word where we have li plus fa'al mudari' which is ashraba. So why do we have this construction here? This lam with kasra, this lam is called lamu ta'lil. Lamu ta'lil means it is a lam of reason. So if you're asking why, then you give a reason, then you begin with li. But why do we have, this is harf jar li. So we know after harf jar there is a ism majroor. But here we have fa'al mansoob, and we know the fa'al cannot be majroor. So what is happening here? We're going to see. So the original construction of this word is lam, which is lam ta'lil, which is harf jar, plus we have an, harf masdariyan wa nasbin, and then we have fa'al mudari', which is ashraba here. So this li, when it comes, what happens is the an gets dropped. The an gets dropped. So what we have now is li plus fa'al mudari'. So this construction li ashraba is originally what it was. It was li an ashraba. So an ashraba is your al-masdar mu'awwal fi mahalli jarrin. But because the an is dropped, so it becomes li ashraba. So what is this an called? This an is called an mudmara. So the hidden an. So even though when we see with lam ta'lil, there is a fa'al mudari' mansoob. So we know there is a hidden an which is making the fa'al mansoob. It is not the harf jar li, but it is the an which makes the fa'al mansoob. So that's the concept here. So, li ashraba. So we know shariba yashrabu is again fa'al muta'addi. So here it says to drink what? Al ma'a is maf'ulun bihi for ashraba. So then teacher asks again, al mudarris walima kharaja yasirun ma'aka. So and why did kharaja here is fa'al madi. So we're looking for the fa'il is yasirun with dhamma. So why did Yasir go out? Ma'aka, with you. So Ammar replies, huwa kharaja, he went out, liyaghsila wajhahu, to wash. So see again here, lam ta'lil, li, but yaghsila, why mansoob? Because of an mudmara, the fail is mansoob, which makes an plus fail mudariya is a combination pair al-masdar al-mu'awwal. Wajha is your maf'ulun bihi for yaghsila, and wahuwa mudaf, and who is your mudaf ilayhi. Now Humayun gets up, one of the students, he says, Ya Ustad, ana uridu an ajlisa huna amamaka. So see, now here we got a regular combination of an plus fa'al mudari'. What is it? Ya Ustadu, ya harf nida, Ustadu is munada with one dhamma. Ana uridu, I want. Want what? An ajlisa. I want to sit. So an ajlisa here is masdar al-mu'awwal, and original masdar will be julus. Ana uridu al-julusa, you can say, or ana uridu an ajlisa huna. I want to sit here. Amamaka. So ama huna and amama, the both are zarf. So huna comes on its own and amama comes with the mudaf ilayhi, and ka is your mudaf ilayhi. Amama ka is in front of you. Maq'adi. See, maq'adi, again here there are two words in it. Maq'adu plus ya mutakallim, which makes maq'adi. So my desk. Ba'idu an. So we know qareeb always comes with min, and ba'id always comes with an. So it is far from anka, far from you. Wa min hunaka, and from here, la ara. So we're going to see here what is. So that is an ajlisa, and wa min hunaka, and from there, la ara ma taktuba ala saburati, and I cannot see what you are writing on the board. So what is this fail? Ara. So we're going to see, we're going to learn in details about the weak letter verbs later on, inshallah. But just to give you a brief understanding, this is the Ma'adi, which means Ra'a. Ra, Hamzatul Qata and Alif Maksura. And originally, the Mudari' will be Yar'a. You know, Fa'ala, Yaf'alu, Yar'a. But as the time went, because of the pronunciations, the Yar'a became Yara. So again here the Hamzatul Qata got dropped, so it becomes Yara. So Yara, and now from there, you know, 5 in your pocket. Tara, Tara, Ara, and Nara. So Ra'a, he saw. Yara, he sees. Tara, you sees. Tara, she sees. Ara, I see. And Nara, we see. So La Ara means I cannot see. So from here, wa min hunaka la ara ma taktuba. So what is this ma here? Ma is ma al mawsuliyati, that which you are writing. Taktuba is your silatul mawsul, and ala saburati jar majrur. So all the concepts coming here, so we should be able to understand completely, inshallah. So then al-Mudarris says, yumkinuka an tajlisa huna al-an. So now we know amkana yumkinu always has a al-masdar mu'awwal as a fa'il, and that al-masdar mu'awwal, the pronoun will depend on who it is being directed to. So we say yumkinuka an tajlisa. So it is directed to, it is possible for you to sit. So it is an tajlisa, for you to sit. So if it is for yumkinuhu, it is possible for him to sit, it will be yumkinuhu an yajlisa. But because it is yumkinuka, then it will be an tajlisa. An tajlisa is your fa'il for yumkinu. Huna al-an, it is possible for you to sit here now. Hada, so again it is al-ismu ishara. Mubtada, maq'adu is your khabar wa huwa mudaf, and hamzata, we know it's a diptode, that's why it is hamzata. This is the desk of Hamza. Wa huwa ghaibun munzu usbu'in. So we're going to learn about this wow concept again later on, inshallah. So we're just going to translate, and he is absent. Ghaibun is absent. Munzu is again is a new word here. Munzu means since a week. Munzu usbu'in. So again this is a harf jar, and this is a majrur. Munzu usbu'in. So now after a break he says isma'u, listen to me. So what he is telling is wow is antum. So it's a fail amr. Ya abnai, isma'u ya abnai, listen to me, oh my sons or my children. Tabda'u utlatu sayfi ba'da shahrin. So what is this verb here? Bada'a yabda'u. So bada'a, he began. Yabda'u, he begins, or it begins. So why it is tabda'u? Because utla is muannath, that's why it is tabda'u. So the holiday begins. Holiday of what? So utlatu saifi, mudaf mudaf ilahi. So the summer holidays begins ba'ad shahrin, after a month. So isma'u is fa'il amr and tabda'u is your fa'il mudari' and utlatu is your fa'il. So now the teacher says, listen to me, O children. The summer holidays is going to begin after a month. أين تذهبون في هذه العطلة? Where are you going? Where are you all going? تذهبون أين تذهبون في هذه العطلة. تذهبون is فعل مضارع مرفوع بثبوت النون. So بعض الطلاب, some of the students, بعض الطلاب, بعض always comes as مضاف. Some of the students. نريد أن نذهب إلى بلادنا. So again نريد, we want to, and أن أذهب is your المصدر المعول, and we want to go to إلى بلدنا, to our countries. So this is a scenario where all the students from different countries are studying here. So Al-Mudarris says, أين تريد أن تذهب أنت يا هاشم? So he's asking one by one. So Al-Mudarris says, where do you want to go? See, أين تريد, where do you want? And أن تذهب is to go. So directed to the Hisham. So Hisham says, أريد أن أذهب إلى مصر. See, I want to go to Misra. So why Misra? Why it's not إلى مصري? Because Misru is a mamnu min as-sarf, that's why it is Misra. So Al-Mudarris says, لما تريد أن تذهب إلى مصر? So why do you want to go? See? So just keep noticing how the al-masdar mu'awwal keep changes depending on who it is directed to. So where do you want to go? Why do you want to go to Misr? Hashim says, أريد أن أذهب إلى مصر لأزور. See again. So أن أذهب is your normal al-masdar mu'awwal. I want to go إلى مصر لأزور. لأزور is your li lam ta'lil plus an mudmara, which is hidden, which makes the fa'al mansub, to visit. Zara yazuru is the fa'al. Yazuru, tazuru, tazuru, azuru, nazuru. So azuru is your marfu and azura is your mansub from li azura, to visit. Akhi, my brother. So akhi is your akha plus ya is your ya mutakallim, my brother. Allazi is again, we know allazi is your isma mawsula, which is coming here as a naat for akhi, and what comes after allazi is your silatul mawsul. So what is it? It describes that one, yadrusu fi jamiatil azhar, the one who studies, he studies in Jamia of Azhar. So Al-Mudarris again asking, wa aina turidu an tazhabu anta ya Yusuf? And where do you want to go, O Yusuf? Yusuf says, Uridu an azhaba. See, I want to go ila London, to London. So it is again, look at the sentence here. Ala turidu an tazhaba ila baladuka? So don't you want to go to your country? So a is your harf istifham, la is lan nafiya. It's lan la, it is not lan nahiya, this is lan nafiya. So ala turidu, don't you want to go? An tazhaba al-masdar mu'awwal ila baladika, to your country. So what does Yusuf say? Naam. See, if it is, it's a question with negation. If it is in yes, and he says naam, la uridu an azhaba. So I don't want to go ila baladi hadihi sana. So I don't want to go to my country this year. La uridu, again this la is your la nafiya, which doesn't have any effect, doesn't change the fa'al. So uridu is the proper marfu form, is there's no effect. So that is you're just negation, you're negating. No, I don't want to an azhaba, to go ila baladi. So baladi is actually having two words. So baladi plus ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi, to my country, هذه السنة, this year. أريد أن أذهب إلى لندن. So I want to go to London. لي أدرس. See again, لي is your لام تعليل and plus أن مضمرة, which you can't see. أدرس is your فعل مضارع منصوب, to study, and we know it's again to study. Study what? To study اللغة الإنجليزية هناك, to study English language over there. So an azhaba is your al-masdar mu'awwal, and here also is al-masdar mu'awwal with the an-mudmarah. So Mudaris again ask Yusuf, ألا يمكنك أن تدرس اللغة الإنجليزية في بلدك? Is it not possible? See again, يمكن came. So we know with يمكن, an plus فعل مضارع is the fa'il. So what is not possible? يمكن means it is not possible. So what is that? It here is أن تدرس, to study. It is not possible to study. Studying is not possible for you. اللغة الإنجليزية في بلدك. Is it not possible for you to study English language in your city or in your country? So here أن تدرس is the fa'il, and اللغة is your مفعول به for your درس يدرس, and الإنجليزية is your نعت for اللغة. So what does Yusuf reply? Yusuf replies, نعم لا يمكنني. See, لا, it is not possible. So يمكن is your فعل, so we're looking for fa'il. Fa'il here is ذلك. ذلك is the fa'il. نون وقاية يا متكلم. That is not possible for me. No, that is not possible for me. لأن, see, because, لأن. So we know من أخواته إن. So we know it has اسم and خبر. أهل بلدي. أهل بلدي. You know, the residents of my country. يدرسون. So يدرسون is your خبر لأن, and أهل بلدي is اسم لأن, and say residents of my country, they study يدرسون, and again we have this فعل متعدي, study what? اللغة الفرنسية. So they study the French language. ولا يدرسون, واو أطف, لا يدرسون again موطوف على يدرسون first one, اللغة الإنجليزية, and they don't study English. So المدرس في أي كلية تريد أن تدرس في العام المقبل يا مروان. So what does it say here? So we know in which department. في أي كلية تريد, do you want to أن تدرس. So أن تدرس is your المصدر معول. Where do you want to study? في العام المقبل. So what is عام المقبل? In the coming year. يا مروان. So what does Marwan says? أريد أن أدرس في كلية الشرعية. So in the Sharia law, I want to study in the Sharia department. So المدرس في أي كلية تريد أن تدرس أنت يا موسى. So again, when you direct from one person to other, so you use the pronoun anta for emphasis. Where do you want to study? So in the construction, there is an emphasis. So in which, you know, في أي كلية تريد أن تدرس أنت يا موسى. So what does Musa say? Musa replies, لا يمكنني أن أدرس بالجامعة في العام المقبل. So again you see la nafiya is coming here. Yumkinu, we know yumkinu will come with an adrusa is the fa'il. So how do we translate this? Studying is not possible for me in the university fil amil muqbil, in the coming year. ذلك لأنني. That is, ذلك is that, لأنني. So again لأن plus نون وقاية, and يا متكلم is your اسم لأن, and we are looking for a خبر. That because I am مريض. I am مريض, I am sick. وأريد أن أذهب, and I want to go إلى الولايات المتحدة للعلاج, and I want to go to United States for treatment. للعلاج. So المدرس says شفاك الله. شفاك الله. So we know this word Allahu is the fa'il and shafa is the fa'il, and because there is mudaf ilayhi attached, the pronoun, that alif maksura becomes proper alif and ka is attached. Shafaqal lahu. May Allah cure you, heal you. So we know Umaru and Amrun. So this is Amrun, just coming with wow. Ya Ustaz, yakadul jarasu yarinnu. So what is yakadu? So we know it's fa'al mudari'. It's a special fa'al which has, it is naqis fa'al, kana, kada, yakadu, which have ism and khabar, and we know this speciality of yakadu is the khabar will be fa'al jumlatul fa'liya, and that jumlatul fa'liya will be mudari'. So yakadul jarasu, the bell is about to, and what is about to? Yarinnu, is about to ring. Arju. So أرجو أن تسمح لنا بالخروج الآن قبل أن يخرج الطلاب الآخرون. So what is happening here? So جرس and يرن is different. أرجو means I request. أرجو means I request. أن تسمح. سمح is he permitted. يسمح is he permits. تسمح is you permit. I request you to permit. For you to permit. Lana. Lana means for us. Permit for us. What permit what? Bil khuruja. Say khuruja is your proper masdar, original masdar. Kharaja yakhruju. Khurujun. So for us to go out. Al-an. Now. Qabla an yakhruja. See. Qabla an yakhruja. An yakhruja is al-masdar mu'awwal, and khuruja is your regular masdar, original masdar. Before. So kharaj an yakhruja is to go out. The who will go out? Tullabul akhirin, akharuna. So al tullabu is your fa'il for an yakhruju, and al akharuna is not. So the other students. So before the leaving of the other students. So that's what this sentence says. Yakadul jarasu yarinnu arju an tasmah lana. I request you to permit us bil khuruj al-an, to go out now, qabla an yakhruja, before the going out of other students, akharuna, at-tullabul akharuna. So at-tullabu is the fa'il and al-akharuna is the na'at. So the teacher says, al-mudarris baqiya thalathu daqa'iq. So now here another concept Dr. Abdul Rahim just wants to know, let us know here, that thalathu daqa'iq is actually feminine fa'il. Baqiya is remaining. Remaining what? Thalathu daqa'iq. But baqiya is a mudhakkar fa'il. Normally it should have been baqiyat thalathu daqa'iq, because daqa'iq comes from daqiqatun, which is the muannas. So the concept here is, if it is a non-human being feminine word, so that can be used with the mudhakkar fa'il. For example, Ja'a sayyaratu, and the car returned. So Ja'a is your mudhakkar fa'il madi, but as-sayyaratu is muannas. So that is kind of permissibility which is there, but it is not permissible for a particular feminine human being uh, files. So that's something. بقي 3 دقائق يمكنكم. See, it is possible for you. Al-khuruj, see, going out is possible for you. Al-an. So the 3 minutes left. So you can go out now. Ukhruju. So what is this? Is fail amr. Fail amr is directed. Wow is antum. So go out bihudu'in. What is bihudu'in? Is quietly. So go out quietly. So this is the end of the class number 40, where we have learned a scenario and how the files are used and understand the concepts of an-mudmara, lamu ta'lil, and other concepts. So inshallah we will begin a new concept again in our next class. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.